I go to the laundromat. Simple ride. I take my duffel bag. So, I'm driving back through town, doing exact speed limit, enjoying the weather. The guys were having a barbecue at the garage there. Sun is out. I already passed the police, I think, and wasn't going too fast. And then I approach the patch, the car wash, and then I pull into Cumbies. Or I just go home, and this car just starts steering at me.
What's the matter with you? Jesus.
And like that. That's what motorcyclists have to deal with. Most of the time it's faster and people get hurt. So look out there. Watch out for bikers.